With few exceptions, there may be no other medication in the modern era that can improve the health outcomes of women on a population level than hormone replacement therapy.
Oh my God, everybody, I can't believe it. I've been saying this for over 15 years. Ever since I started doing bioidentical hormone therapy, I knew by a thorough and complete reading of the medical literature that hormones are safe and effective. Yet establishment medicine kept saying, no, they're bad, no, they're bad, no, they're bad, breast cancer, prostate cancer, and everything else that ails you under the sun. But you know what? We're finally vindicated. All of these hormones, and especially estradiol, everybody calls it estrogen, has been vindicated by the FDA. Did you see the news? Early in November of 2025, the FDA actually came out and said that what we've been saying to all of you people for the last 25 years about hormone therapy is absolutely 100% unequivocally wrong. That is, the traditional medicine establishment has been telling us that hormones are bad, and especially estrogen causes breast cancer. That was all based upon a flawed study that was misinterpreted. Our FDA administrator, Dr. Marty McCary, a world-renowned surgeon from Johns Hopkins in Baltimore, who's now our FDA commissioner, has been on a mission to identify the true science behind hormone therapy. He brought it up in his book about a year and a half ago in Blind Spots, and as fate would have it, he ended up being the chairman and the head of the FDA. Now, with the ability to actually deep dive into these studies, he's come to the conclusion and has made it an official FDA statement that hormone therapy, particularly estrogen therapy in women, is very healthy in terms of preventing and minimizing the risk of dementia, heart disease, osteoporosis, cholesterol management, sugar management, and a host of other major medical diseases of aging. Not to mention the improvement of sexual intimacy. Dr. McCary even mentions that divorce has been increased dramatically because women are not allowed to get their hormones. You know what this means for all of you? It means that now we clearly understand, backed by our government, backed by the very smart scientists at the FDA, the people who understand literature now understand that hormone therapy is safe and effective. So if you've been waiting because you've been afraid of hormone therapy is safe, effective, and I promise you, when properly done and balanced by an expert who knows what they're doing, it will absolutely change your life. It will restore your intimacy in your family. It will improve your everyday vitality, and it will improve your overall health and wellness and extend your life. That is, you will live longer, a healthier, more vital, more active life.